Hello. It's currently, what's the time? It's 3:47. I have volleyball at 6 p.m. Why am I going for volleyball? Even though I have a submission due literally this weekend. Don't ask me, okay? I do not know how to manage my time. I'm gonna go for volleyball. I'm gonna eat first, actually, and then I'm gonna go for volleyball. I like how my eyes look today. I did it for the first time. I love it. I'm gonna get colored eyeliner because while this is lovely, I feel like it blends in with my skin a bit too much. I mean, it doesn't, but I need it to pop from afar, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna eat. I'll see you later. Hello.
I was gonna take a piss, but I don't think we have.
I'm filming just by the way. Oh yeah, it's time for volleyball. I'm gonna wipe this off in the bathroom. And actually, no, I want Lee to see it. And then I'll wipe it off. If you don't know.
Gonna see if we don't hurry up.
Oh, true. Oh, my bad. But yeah, I'm gonna go for volleyball now. I'm getting ready. Let's go. Damn, have you opened it? Hello. Got some colored eyeliners. I wish I could ASMR this, but that's not happening. I just woke up, by the way. I am so excited. I'm gonna use these to the, like, well, that's why. Let's try other colors. It's like, you know, it's eyeliner. It's really, I know it's been like forever since like colored eyeliners have been a thing, but I just haven't gotten around to getting some. And don't poop on my party, okay? I mean, it's not super thin, if you can see that. I would have preferred if the tips were finer, but I wish I got these earlier on in the semester, because uni's over and I don't go out during my holidays, so. Hello. I'm I'm gonna go down and get a box of gloves and some candy. I need to take my hair out. I need to take it out and wash it for tomorrow morning. It's currently 3:12, so almost a quarter past 3, and I'm gonna take my hair out, wash it for tomorrow. Why didn't I take it out earlier? My last deadline was yesterday, so I've been rather busy. Could I have taken it out in between? Yes, but let's be serious. So I'm gonna do that. I will see you when I come back up. I'm getting gloves because I use gloves to take out my hair because texture. Anyway, see ya. We are done. I look bald from this angle, and honestly, I'm kind of rocking it. I would love to show you my hair right now. If you can look at my eye, can you see there's still like eyeliner? I've been working on cleaning it. Anyway, I'd love to show you my hair. It's packed up in the back. I would love to show you, but my head hurts, so I'm probably gonna go to bed. I was watching, actually, no, I'm gonna talk to you. I've had a bit of an obsession with Miss, and so I decided to binge her movies. So I was like, I'm just gonna watch the movies while getting my hair done. And see. So, I have a cold. Anyway, I have a cold. Today's the 14th of December. My voice sounds like deep and like raspy. Anyway, we're good. I just wanted to film it because like my voice sounds like, you know. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'll see you later. They gave us a passport that you kind of like come in, and then it has like everywhere you can go. I think I look kind of cute. The overview of everything. Honestly, I wish I had looked through that. My lip gloss touched it. There. Can you see it? Yeah. Anyway, I wish I went through it before going in, because they gave me and I was like, okay, let's go. Like, I just walked in. Each page has like all the rooms, so you could
you know, have a smoother transition, which is why I'm like, I wish I had looked through it, because I was just kind of like blindly, you know, feeling my way through. But anyway, it was fun. I liked it. It was really bright, so I'm gonna put a trigger warning before all of this. Yeah, so it's a passport. I think the passport idea was really cute, and there's like spaces in the back for like stamps. You know how an actual passport looks. I kind of like how my eye makeup looks. Stop playing. Look at my earrings. It was a gift. I love it. I had to take the metro. I forgot to tell you guys. I was thinking, oh, should I just take a cab? The place was kind of far, kind of very far from where I live. I was like, should I just take a cab? You know, it's my birthday. Oh, I didn't tell you guys this whole time. Today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. Anyway, my voice sounds weird. I think it sounds weird. It might not sound weird on camera, but it sounds weird in real life because I'm still coming down with a little bit of a cold. Now it is 1:30 p.m. I'm supposed to be at the beach with my friends by 4 p.m. 4-ish. I will rest. I haven't slept today. I was awake through the night last night. This was really fun. Oof, that was nice. Yeah, this is all I've had today. I will see you at the beach. See you later. Bye. Oh, I have a million of those back home.
Yeah, they're so difficult to find here.
Yeah. I never thought about that because I was looking for these actually when I was younger.
Really?
I was like, yeah, I mean, we got a million of those.
There are millions here. That's funny.
So we are trying. Oh, okay. It's a fast process.
Yeah,
Okay.
Well, Lee was very responsible with it.
let me hold on. Oh no! Oh.
There we go. That's how you do it.
There's so many things going on.
Yeah. There's potato.
Like of everything I expected. I don't know. It tastes really good. I love it.
Yeah.
Give me another.
What was the last one? What? Yeah, there's not much. There was only 6. Oh.
There's one more.
Oh.
Unless Jasmine wants it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I want it. I want it. I want it. I want it.
I don't know if you can hear me because it's kind of loud here, but it is currently 6:30 or 6:45. I'm not sure. I haven't eaten anything today, so I'm gonna go eat with my friends, and we'll probably walk around, get ice cream, and then probably go home. I kind of scraped this off. I thought there was something on my face. I thought it was, is that sand on my cheek? Anyway, I thought there was sand on my face, and I just kind of like kept clawing at it, and then it popped right off, and it's pissing me off because now it's unbalanced. But that's fine. I'm gonna go eat, and then I'll probably see you later.
When we got back from the beach, I went out and had a late dinner, a very filling dinner, and I decided to walk it off. So I took, a walk back home. It wasn't a really long walk. It was a nice walk. And then when I got back home, I had 2 baby cakes, one for each digit. And that was all. That was the end.